Hi guys, here we've got OPPO Find X2 Neo, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. First, open the settings, then find and select System Settings, scroll all the way down and enter Backup and Reset. Here go to Reset Phone, and you will notice Reset All Settings at the top of the list. And if you truly want to do it, you have to provide your screen lock password and then confirm that you want to perform this operation. Just remember that it cannot be undone, so you need to be 100% sure that you want to do it. And if you are, just tap on Reset Settings just one more time to confirm, and now patiently wait till it's done. And that's it. As you can see, system settings have been restored. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.